Hey guys, Ringmaster Ray, and we're going to be getting into some packages. I just went to the post office, dropped some stuff off there, and picked some stuff up, and check it out. We got a box. Let's take a look inside and see what we ended up with here. This did come from the Mint. So it's my Mint pickup that I had signed up for. We're going to take a look inside here and see what it is. All right, so what we ended up having is I picked up, this is the Women's Quarters Program right there. Yep. So we have the American Women's Proof Silver Set right there. So let's take a look inside and see what it looks like. Wow. Look at that, guys. Isn't that awesome? So now we get to see all the rest of the quarters we haven't got to see really yet. So those are what they look like. There is your COA. There is Georgie. And all this beautiful silverness. Isn't that awesome? In just a moment, I am going to grab the quarter albums and we'll get those put into it. So we'll get that, set that off the side for the moment. The next one we got, let's go ahead and cut this baby open. This one I ordered off eBay, I think. Didn't quite get it close enough. There we are. Now we're in. All right. So let's take a look here and see what we ended up with. And this thing is taped down. Let's just cut it over here and make it easy. All right, let's see what came in. What did I order? This one, let's see. Ah, this came from Nerd Analyst, not eBay. He just used the eBay stuff. That is pretty cool, guys. If you guys haven't seen Nerd Analyst, definitely subscribe to him. He's one of the great guys that comes over to the market, the trade, buy, sell, trade markets all the time, hangs out with us. Let's take a look at this. So I've been collecting Canada coins. Wow. 1 ounce Canada fine silver right there. It's got the maple leaf right there, down below, privy. $5. That is pretty sweet, guys. So that's the Voyager. The guys in the canoe there. That is a beautiful coin. That'll look great in my Canada collection. All right, got another one here. So that was Nerd Analyst. Let's open up this one. Okay, there we go. All right, let's see what's in here. Nothing left. This feels like a lot. All right, we got her open now. Let's take a look inside and see what it is. Oh, I know what these are. More Canada. So these are the commemorative ones. There is the Moosey. Very pretty. Let's take a look at the next one. There we go. Let's take a little closer look at this one. Pretty neat. Got a few more in here. Let's just go ahead and dump them all out and then we'll take a look at them. Now, these came from Southern Coin right there, guys. If you guys haven't subscribed to him, he is also hanging out with us all the time in the buy, sell, trade days, early bird trade days and stuff like that. Come check him out also. Picked up this beautiful 77 there. It is clad, but it is a beautiful Ike. Then we have this one right here, 1991. And we ended up with the other Canada. Pretty sweet. This one, the box kind of coming apart there, but that's okay. That one's got the train on it. That's pretty neat. Let's zoom in a little bit closer. There we go. Wow, I like that one a lot. And we ended up with a ship. Detroit of Davis Strait, 1587 to 1987. Very, very neat. That is a neat coin for sure. And last but not least, we have this one here. Let's take a look at it. I think it says Kelsey. Yep, 1990. Very, very neat. So yeah, definitely a pretty good stack of Canada coins came in, all different kinds. All these Canada dollars. Get them all laid out here. We can look at all of them. There's that Ike. There's another ship one. That is pretty sweet too. I guess that's something Frontier. Let me take a look real quick here. The Frontanic from 1816 to 1991. So that's a 91 coin there. This one is Mackenzie River. That's what that one is there. And this one says, oh, that's just the Moose one. So quite a bit of silver on the table now. That is pretty neat. I'm back out a little bit so you guys can see it all there. So lots of Canadian. Got some silver proofs in today. So man, overall it's been a great day. So let me grab my albums and I'll be right back. All right, warning guys, this part of the video could make coin collectors a little nauseous. So just to let you know, I'm going to warn you ahead of time. This may be a little bit of a cringe for you, but it'll be okay. So what we're going to do is just gently rock this back and forth. And then I'm going to get on the edge here. Getting that little seam, and we're just going to pop it open. This seam is a little more loose. There we go. Yep. And then I just gently go around and pop it up. And there we are. So there is our quarters there, guys. We're going to get those added into the album. I'm going to move this out of the way. Make some room up there. All right, so U.S. women's quarters. And as you can see, we have the very first page filled up for the 2022s, and now we're into 2023. So we're going to be adding these right here. So I'm going to slide those back, just like that. So the first one that we're going to have is going to be the Betsy Coleman there. So we're just going to gently pop her out and slide her in place. Next on our list is going to be the This one here, Edith. Can't pronounce her last name, but that's okay. You guys want to see it up close. That is what the silver quarters look like this year. Beautiful. Got it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and cover those up. So now I'm just going to be waiting for just the regular clad proof to come out. Now we got these to add in. Not quite for sure how they're going to be released. That one is very interesting. Just kind of has her and then the beautiful mirror feel there. And that's really all it is to that one. You wouldn't even know it's a coin, really, just unless you flipped it over. I mean, it's just a portrait, which is kind of neat. And let's see if I can see who this one is here, because I haven't even seen some of these. These are pretty neat, though. Eleanor Roosevelt. That's who that is. Right there, we got Eleanor. Let's bring you up a little higher here. If I can get my camera to behave. There we go. There's Eleanor. We're going to zoom back out. Get that to see just right where I want it. Because once it goes in, it ain't coming out. There we go. And our very last one, which is the ballerina, Maria Tallchief. Maria Tallchief. Let's take a look at that one. There we are. Very, very neat. All right, let's get her popped back in. So that's what the quarters this year are going to look like, which is pretty fabulous. We're going to slide this one in. There we go. We got our little sleeve back in place, and now we have our quarters up to date to this point in time. So guys, that is it for the mail call. I hope you guys really liked this kind of show and tell, and got a little bit of a mail call there. So we had a great time doing it, and we'll catch you on the next one. And we're gonna head over to Pistol Packing Pilot on our 8 train premiere, and we'll see you next time. Take care.